This is Moisha, always for Stamo DIY. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to use cellotapes, the old sellotape, like the discarded one when you finish and it's just the skeleton of the sellotape, to create a beautiful flower vase. Let me show you what a sellotape looks like. This is an old empty sellotape, and what are we using to design are this pack. I had is a long pack of flat tonga stroke coiler. I have with me two fabrics that I'm going to use to design the body. I also have with me a pair of scissors and UHU for the gumming process. So guys, I want you to watch and learn. So guys, this is the finished look of our flower vase. I know, it's really pretty. This is all made from cellotape, as you already know, and I must say it came out nice actually. The color combination, the silver thing on the body, the color separation here, and the base box. I want to believe that plain and pattern is actually the way to go for this particular combination, and this is a very old fabric I had, so using it for this makes me feel good. So guys, do not forget to try this, do not forget to ask questions, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, don't forget to share, spread the word, and tell your friends, and tell your friends, and tell your friends. Now there's something I need you to note. When you are putting your fabric on the base, please ensure that the fabric that is on top is fully, the base that is on top is fully covered with a gum before you place the fabric, fully covered, so that by the time you're placing this, you will notice mine is shaking because it's only on the fabric and not connected to the base. So by the time you put this on top, you won't have the shaky feeling because the fabric is already connected to the base and there is a firmness, so there's nothing really going to be shaking about this. Though this is going to stay in one place, but it's still advisable to have it intact. And you can use glue gun to stick the base to the body, but I didn't use glue gun. I actually use a normal glue, which is fine. So guys, I think that's the only thing you really have to note here. You can decide to line inside if you want to, but every other thing is very okay, I must